Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Swetha. I have a new video for you guys. I've done this DIY makeover, bedroom makeover video before, and I've got a lot of good response from it. I keep getting messages saying I need to do that more. So I thought I'll just show you guys this quick small makeover that we did in our living room. So this is a small area which we had, and it's like a window, full size window. And the problem we have here is we don't have a balcony from the living room. We have a balcony in the kitchen which is very beautiful, but we don't have it from the living room. So we thought we'll create like a counter kind of thing, like a bar counter kind of thing next to the window, so that we'll get this beautiful ambience in the evenings and mornings. So we can see the sunset from here, and we didn't want to lose this space not using it at all. So now we have a table, so we'll sit here and have our evening tea and everything. It's so beautiful. So this is the view I'll show you guys. So this is our living room window. So when you open this, we have like really nice view here. The problem is it's a window, so we never use this area at all because it's like a window and it's not a balcony, right? So we have a balcony just like this in the kitchen, but we thought we'll use this space as well because this is a really nice place. If you open this window, you can open this window completely and you can actually use this as a balcony if you have something over here. So what we thought is we will install a kind of like a small table here, and with two bar stools and a light here would make really good view here. So that's what we are going to do today. So it's like this now, and I'll show you guys what we are going to do. We have a plug point over here so that we can hang a light from here. So the view here during sunset is amazing, so we just thought we'll make use of it. So yeah. So we bought all these things from Ikea. So they come in a package. We ordered it online. So when you go to the store and buy it, they don't deliver it to your house. So when you buy it online, it comes to your house like this. It is amazingly packed. I love how Ikea packs things so well, and this is how we got it. So this is the light that we are gonna fix on top of that table that we are gonna fix. I'll show you how we are gonna do it. So these are all parts of the things that we bought, and yeah, this is the before, and I'll show you how these people are doing it. These are all different parts of the things. We have two stools, I mean high chairs, and a table. So we actually thought we'll do it ourselves in the beginning, but then we are staying in a rented house, so we don't want to ruin anything by screwing things which we don't know. So we hired these people. So these people, you can actually hire these carpenters from the app called Urban Clap. So once you hire them, they'll come and do it for you. So you can just fix the appointment and they'll come and do it for you. It's really good. So they are just fixing the table now, and after that they'll fix the light fixtures and everything, and then they'll do the stool, and we are kind of done after that. They actually finished the job in like 1 hour. So yeah, it was a pretty decent job. I love how the table looks like. It's not too much so that it won't take so much space there. It is just enough for your chai cup to be placed, and it is so beautiful. Now they are fixing the light bulb, and I love how this light bulb makes the whole space looks like it's like this whole ambience is created by this hanging light. I love it. And these stools, they are fixing the stools now. So yeah, and we are pretty much done, and I loved how it turned out. It looks so good. And this hanging dream catcher was done by my friend. I'll put her Instagram ID down below in the description box.
These candles are also made by my friend, and she has a page called Celestial Light, and I'll be putting the link down below for that also if you guys want to check it out. And this is the view, you guys. This is actually really good, and I did a self portrait session there. As if you guys are following me on Instagram, you will know that I do a lot of self portrait shoots. So I did this one after doing this area, and I absolutely love how it turned out to be.
So, couple of things. This was the bag that I was showing in the photos which I took from here, and this is from the brand called Zouk, Zouk, and they have amazing handmade, vegan, cruelty-free bags, and I'm in love with the design. This is so good, and it's very sturdy, and the quality is really good, you guys. I'm not even kidding. I have a handbag also, it's like a sling bag, and I love the print on it. See this? It comes with a pouch here, and the zips are all very good quality, and you can understand the quality of a bag by looking at the zip. So this one is a sling bag, and I can wear it like this. So it's very useful. I can do it on a, I can use it on a daily basis. And this one is kind of like a travel bag, and it has a lot of capacity. You can carry a lot of stuff inside. This also has a zip like this, and it opens like this. I'm so in love with it. I love the designs. They have a lot of other designs as well, and this is like a jute material or something. I'm not sure. I'll put the link down below in the description box if you guys want to check this out. They have amazing designs, and it's very good quality. And I loved the designs also. This is a sling bag, and they have big travel bags as well. They have laptop bags, and they have backpacks. So check it out and let me know if you guys liked it. So yeah, I hope you guys found this small video helpful, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep smiling, be happy. I love you guys.